Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I am so excited to be here, and I have to say thank you to Holy Stone for providing this drone for me to test so that I am here very first minute it goes public so that you can see if this is something you want to get or don't want to get. Let's go put it up in the air and see how it goes. You enjoyed that quick overview. Let's look at one of the key features. Follow me. 720G is actually rotating. I'm going to walk a little further because I don't want it to go into the woods because it has no obstacle avoidance. There we go. So it's turning, it's kind of following me sideways, which is really cool. Very cool. You have to like that. That is so awesome and so cool. So I just walked down the street, turned around, and walked the other way, and it slowly panned and followed me. All right. Let's try some of the other features. Here is the longest distance flight I was able to get the drone to do. There was nothing in between me and the drone. It was pure line of sight, and I could really only get it out to 1,000 feet. Now, I honestly thought that the drone would have more range, but at the same time, 1,000 feet is way further than you can see the drone and what you're really allowed to fly according to the FAA. So it's a little irrelevant, but I really kind of felt like I wanted it just to go, 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 go. But anyway, this is what I got. Actually, more important in all of this is you see the return home feature worked perfectly. The moment it lost contact with me, it stopped, waited a moment, and flew home without an issue. How about we try the point of interest feature where it circles around a single point? So I wanted to share some really beautiful scenic shots, and then this one in particular, I left this in here because if you look at the fronds on these trees, the wind was blowing crazy and the drone was still super stable. I was really impressed. I also wanted to include a couple quick photos so you could see them. How about we take this inside and we'll talk about the actual review.